Hello friends, in this video, I'm going to share with you how we can migrate our WordPress website, or how we can switch our WordPress website from one host to another. It's easy. Really simple, let's begin now. First, go to our WordPress dashboard. Then you can see our live hosting site, no design, just a minimal, simple layout for this demo now. Here you see WordPress's default sample page. Okay, this is our localhost site, currently running locally. Let me show you now. So we're going to back up this website and bring it over to our live hosting here, completely without any data loss. To do this, from here go to the plugin dashboard, open plugins, then click add new plugin. This is our plugin dashboard. Then from here, I'm going to search for backup. After searching for backup, a lot of plugins have come up. From here, you can use all-in-one WP migration, or you can use WPvivid. Yeah, there are many plugins. If you want free, just use WPvivid now today. Plugins installed here. Click to activate. Done plugin is active now. So, what now? Click the backup button here. First, look below at the checkbox what happens if you tick it then. By default, what the plugin does is, after you create a backup, if you don't keep track of the file and it gets old, the plugin will automatically remove its older files, especially if there are too many backups. So we'll enable this check, and the plugin can't automatically delete that file anymore, if it tries. So we want the plugin to automatically delete our backup file. To do that, we're going to click this backup button right here, leaving this unchecked. Then we'll wait a bit, okay. Alright, the plugin backup is done, yes. It's ready now too. Now, since this is our locally hosted website, we're just going to click this download button to download it. We backed up the first one. Now click download here. After clicking, since it's local hosting, choose keep. On live hosting, this prompt won't appear. Okay, so that's done downloading. Now what? We don't need this on this website anymore. We've closed our local website. Now we've come to our live hosting website. This is the dashboard of our live hosting website. So what are we going to do here? Now we'll go to our plugins section, then add plugin. Same as before. We're going to install the WPvivid backup plugin here. So from here we'll search for backup. Then scroll down and install. Then activate. After activation, it auto redirects to our dashboard. Now, from here, go to upload, not backup. After coming to upload, we'll choose our file from here. We can just drag it from here. So I'm going to go to choose file. Then from here, we'll go to our downloads folder. Then from there, we'll select our backup file right here. Then click open. Okay, opened it. Then we'll click the upload button from here. Then our backup file will be uploaded to our website. Okay, let's wait a bit. Alright, the upload we started is complete. We're seeing a pop-up here. Okay. Then from here, our file has appeared on our live hosting website. It looks exactly the same as the previous one, but here it just says upload backup. Okay. So, what's next? Now, since we need to get this backup file onto our live host, we've already uploaded all the files to our live hosting website. Just click the restore button here. You'll see a notice. Then tap restore now. We'll click this button and then hit sure, continue. Okay. Then, as soon as this progress bar finishes, our website will be backed up. So what do we do here? Let's just wait here for a bit. Okay. You can see it's 100% complete here, and it's showing us that the restore completed successfully. Okay. Click OK here. The page reloads briefly, then the website is fully complete now. Okay. If you check the domain, our site is live now. But some images aren't loading, likely a site issue, so they're not showing here at the moment. Other than that, I think everything's okay, yeah? So in this video, we've seen how we can use this WPvivid plugin to migrate our WordPress website from one host to another, or how to back it up. Okay, restore it. That's all. See you in next video. Stay well, healthy. Assalamu alaikum.